Hi viewers, welcome to Crazy Crochet Work. In today's video, I share with you some beautiful crochet contains tieback designs ideas. Crochet contained tiebacks add a charming and personalized touch to your home decor. Here are some design ideas for crochet contained tiebacks. Floral patterns. Create tiebacks with crocheted flowers, such as roses, daisies, or hibiscus. This can be attached to a simple band or combined into a more elaborate design. Like a style, crochet delicate leg patterns that wrap around the curtains, giving a vintage and elegant look. Patterns can include intricate doilies or leg motifs. Animal shapes. For a playful and whimsical touch, crochet tiebacks in the shape of animals, such as butterflies, birds, or even cute kittens. Geometric designs. Create tiebacks with geometric shapes, such as squares, circles, or hexagons. This can be connected to form a band or used individually. Beaded crochet. Incorporate beads into your crochet work to add a touch of sparkle and elegance. This works well with both simple and intricate patterns. Shell patterns. Shell stitches create a beautiful textured look that can be used to make sturdy and decorative tiebacks. Tassel ends. Add crocheted tassels to the ends of your tiebacks for a classic and sophisticated finish. Buttoned bands. Crochet a band that buttons together around the curtain. These designs can be easily removed and adjusted. Seasonal theme. Create tiebacks that reflect different seasons or holidays, such as snowflakes for winter, leaves for autumn, or hearts for Valentine's Day. Colorful stripes. Use different colors or yarn to create striped patterns. This can add a vibrant and cheerful touch to any room. Personalized interdetails. Crochet the interdetails of family members or art like love or home as a part of the tieback design. By exploring various patterns and styles, you can create unique and beautiful crochet contained tiebacks that enhance the decor for any room. Creating crochet contained tiebacks can be a fun and rewarding project. Here are some tips to help you make beautiful and functional tiebacks. First, choose the right yarn. Select yarn that matches your curtain's width and texture. Cotton yarn is a good choice for its durability and easy of cleaning. For a more luxurious look, Consider using slick or a blend with metallic threads. Select an appropriate hook size. Use a crochet hook that matches the thickness of your yarn. Check the yarn label for recommended hook sizes. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe our channel. Happy crocheting!